Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn normalization. First of all, what is normalization? Normalization is organizing your data into related table to reduce redundancy. First of all, what is redundancy? Redundancy means duplicate data. Why we need to reduce redundancy? Because redundancy creates some problem. Which type of problem redundancy creates? First of all, because of redundancy, we need more storage space. Second thing, redundancy creates another problem. It is called inconsistency. Now, what is inconsistency? Inconsistency means when two or more entry of the same data does not match with each other is called inconsistency. To learn it in detail, we will take one example. For example, we have one table. For example, we have one student table and there are records of student number, student name, branch and HO. For example, we are taking now only 4 records. Their name are Sunil, Anil, Munil and Raj. These all students are studying in BCA department. And there is one HOD whose name is Mr. X. So we have one table here and we can see that these data are redundant data. This is redundancy. One data is repeating, so it is called redundancy. Now, how this redundancy will create inconsistency? Okay. So now our HOD is going at another place. Uh, he will left the job. Now I have to change the name of HOD. So now Mr. Y will come at the place of Mr. X. So I will change Mr. X with Mr. Y. While changing, I forgot to change at one place. So when I want to get information related HOD, I will get two types of data, Mr. Y and Mr. X. So this type of situation is called inconsistency. Same data contain different information. So it will create problem in our database. So we have to remove redundancy. We cannot remove 100% redundancy, but we can reduce redundancy by normalization. Other problems redundancy create in our table is record insert, update and delete. It is called data anomalies. Data anomalies will create because of redundancy. Okay. To understand normalization in detail, we will take one example. Okay. There are many normal forms, first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, BCNM, fourth normal form, fifth normal. Today we will learn first normal. What is first normal form? What is the requirement of first normal form? Any table is called in first normal form if and only if it satisfies some condition. For example, which condition? Data should be in table format. Second, there should be no repeating group in table. And third, primary key should be identified. So first of all, we will take one data here. I have take one project data here, and we can see that this table data is not in first normal. How we can say that this table data is not in first normal form? Because there is multi-value dependency. Data should be first normal form says that data should be in table format, there should be no repeating group, and primary key must be identical. Okay. So there should be no repeating group. No repeating group means what? No repeating group means there should be not any composite attribute. And there should be not any multi-value attribute. What is composite attribute? Composite attribute means there are multiple values in one attribute. For example, address. Address is composite attribute because in one address there is house number, street number, state name, pin code. Many information is included in one address. So it is called composite attribute. What is multi-value attribute? Multi-value attribute means, for example, when I say my mobile number is multi-value attribute. Why? I have one or more than one mobile number. So there should be no any multi-value attribute in first normal form. Okay. We can see here there is one project number, project name. One project number and one project name contain more than one employee number. Means one project number 15, project name Green, have 3 employees who is working in this project. Their names, their job class, their charges per hours and assigned hours. Job class is used to decide charges per hour. If employee is engineer, he or she will get 80 rupees per hour. So we have this type of data. This type of data cannot be in first normal form. We have to remove this multi-value dependency. Any table is called in first normal form if every row and column intersection when there is one value. When there is one value, every row and column intersection, it is called it. Then it will be in first normal form. Okay. So there will be 15 green, 15 green. There should be not any null value. Now there is no repeating group and there is no null value. Data is in table format. Now we have to identify our primary. Which will be primary key in our table? So can we assign project number as a primary key? No, we cannot assign project number as a primary key. Can we assign employee number as primary key? We cannot assign employee number as a primary key. Why? Because project number and employee number contain duplicate value. Primary key column must be unique and not null. We know that what is primary key? Primary key column must be unique and not null. Okay. So there is repeating value and there is also repeating value. So we cannot assign project number as primary key. We cannot assign employee number as primary key. Then how can we assign primary key in this table? Now we can assign primary key in this table by grouping 2 columns. Means we will assign composite primary key. What is composite primary key? When we assign primary key to one column, it is called simple primary. But when we combine more than one attribute in one primary key, it is called composite primary key. So in this example, we have primary key, project number and employee number. This will become our primary. It is called composite primary key. Composite primary key can be combined up to 16 columns. Can we give more than one primary key on one table? No, we cannot assign more than one primary key on one table. But we can combinedly give one primary key on one table. So we have combined project number and employee number as a composite primary key, and we can do this up to 16 columns. Okay. Now we can see this, that this table is in first normal because it satisfies all the conditions of first normal form. First normal form condition: first, data should be in table format. Yes. Second, there should be no repeating group. Yes. And third, primary key must be identified. So this all condition is satisfied. So it is in first normal form. Now, why we have to convert this normal form into second normal? Which problem are there in first normal form? So we need to convert this first normal form into second normal form. First problem, which we have discussed, that there is three types of anomalies: insert anomalies, update anomalies, and delete anomalies. First of all, insert. For example, I want to add one new employee here. Employee number 150, name is Raju, who is accountant. I want to add this information into this table. Can I do this? No. Why? Because in this example we have created primary key, which is project number and employee number. As we know, primary key cannot be null. So this column cannot be null. So we cannot add this data into this table. So it is insertion problem. Second problem, update problem. How update problem arises? For example, there is one DBA, charges per hour, he or she is getting 90 rupees per hour. Now, there is some change in charges per hour. Now he or she will get 100 rupees per hour. So to change, I have to change each and every place where DBA, I am updating this data. While updating DBA charges per hour, I forgot to change it some places. Then it will create inconsistency problem. Next problem is delete problem. For example, we have one employee who is Raj, is going to left our company. Means he is lefting his job. Then I have to delete this data. When I delete his record, I have deleted all the information related to Raj plus his job class plus project name, everything will be deleted. So it is called deletion problem. Okay. Now we understood why we have to convert first normal form into second normal form. Okay. Now we will learn what is second normal form in our next lecture. Thank you.